Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Zoom app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You just scrolling down here, click on apps. You come to apps list until you're looking for Zoom app, or just click on search. Then here add Zoom app. It's going to take you to this. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Click on force stop, click on OK. You scrolling down here, click on storage, you click on clear cache. So then you just go to your press or click on it here, and here you search here for Zoom app. It's going to show for you like this here. We'll find the updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.